Here we have the Eureka Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner and the Bissell Little Green Max Pet Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner. Let's look at these side by side and test each one with some real-life messes. As a mom of 6 kids and 1 dog, we have a ton of accidents, spills, and mysterious spots on our carpet and upholstery. What's great about this for you is that I'm going to really put these 2 machines to the test. I'll show you how these perform on dried up dog pee, weeks-old spilled juice, and super dirty upholstery. But first, let's get a quick side-by-side of these 2 machines. They are honestly very similar, with a clean tank, a dirty tank, and a hose scrubber attachment. The 2 differences that matter to me are these handles on the Eureka tanks, allowing me to easily remove them, and the 2 machines' slightly different attachments. The Eureka attachment is longer, more rounded, and has longer bristles on the bottom, while the Bissell attachment is more compact with short bristles and stronger suction. These different designs make a big difference to how each machine cleans. Let me show you. I fill both tanks with water to the fill line and add the included solutions to their respective tanks, and then I put them back in their machines. Up first, we have a giant pee spot, courtesy of our occasionally incontinent pup. She likes to pee under the table in here, so sometimes these spots go weeks before I notice. First, we're going to try the Bissell. I turn it on and begin and realize it doesn't seem to be doing much until I figure out I need to change the setting to spray. Once I do that, we're in business. This little machine is surprisingly effective. I almost can't believe the difference a few strokes make. I've cleaned this carpet with an industrial strength carpet cleaner, and I don't think it pulled out stains as quickly or efficiently. Now I'll try the Eureka. Here I feel like I'm giving this a lot of elbow grease. It's finally pulling up some of the mess, but it's just not doing it as efficiently as the Bissell. The Bissell has significantly more suction on this low pile carpet. The straight, flat design and head really lend itself to a flat, hard surface. But as we move to thicker carpet, its advantage diminishes. This is a sticky spot in my little's room. I'm actually not exactly sure what it is. Juice is likely, possibly hair gel, or maybe some concoction they came up with. We may never know. But it is sticky and matted to the touch. The Bissell takes a little extra effort here, but it does get the carpet feeling mostly clean. The Eureka does an amazing job and does it very efficiently. This is a high pile carpet, and I suspect the Eureka's longer bristles come in handy for scrubbing the stickiness deeper. It took quite a bit less effort and looks equally clean, if not cleaner. Now for some upholstery. This cream-colored velvet chair is covered in children's fingerprints, shoe prints, and general grime. Pro tip, you can have light-colored furniture or you can have kids, but it's unadvisable to have both. I set to work with the Bissell, and it is work to get some of these sticky spots out, but eventually it starts to look presentable. The Eureka makes shorter work of the other side, but it might not clean quite as thoroughly. Overall, I feel like the chair as a whole is 99% cleaner than it was before. So here are my takeaways. 1, the Bissell definitely did better on the low pile carpet, which makes sense because of its shorter bristles and superior suction. 2, the Eureka gives a faster and more efficient clean on plusher carpet due to its long bristles and curved suction. 3, both were successful at cleaning tough stains on upholstery. The Eureka did so faster, but the Bissell was probably more thorough. 4, of the 2 cleaning solutions, I prefer the Bissell solution with OxiClean. It did a spectacular job of loosening debris and left the carpet not only clean, but also so much brighter. The spots I cleaned look almost new. These are both really nice machines, and I think most people would be happy with either one. But if you have lower pile carpet in your home, I believe the Bissell is your best bet. And if you have thicker carpet or plush upholstery, I think you might prefer the Eureka. I'm excited to have both of these. I love their portability, and I'm hopeful we'll be able to stay on top of messes better. I really like these and hope you'll find the one for you.